Low Earth orbit satellites, building the next global infrastructure layer. What if the next global infrastructure revolution isn't being built on land but in space? Low Earth orbit satellites are rapidly transforming from niche space assets into the backbone of global connectivity, intelligence, and security. According to BIS Research Insights, this market is entering a decisive growth phase. Why LEO matters now. LEO satellites orbit between 160 and 2,000 kilometers above Earth, much closer than traditional geostationary satellites. That proximity enables lower latency, faster communication, real-time imaging, and scalable constellations. And that's the key shift. LEO is no longer about isolated missions. It's about mass deployment and networked constellations designed to serve commercial and national needs at scale. Market segmentation by application. Let's break down the market by application. First, communication, the dominant segment. Satellite broadband, direct-to-device connectivity, aviation and maritime communication, all powered by LEO constellations. As digital inclusion becomes a global priority, this segment continues to lead market growth. Second, Earth observation and remote sensing, high-resolution imagery for climate monitoring, precision agriculture, disaster management, defense surveillance, and infrastructure planning. The ability to capture frequent, real-time data is driving strong demand. Third, navigation and positioning, supporting GNSS augmentation, autonomous mobility, defense tracking systems, and logistics optimization. And finally, other applications, including scientific research and technology demonstration missions. By end user, the commercial shift. By end user, the market is divided into commercial and government and military. And here's the major trend: the commercial segment is set to dominate. Private space companies are aggressively deploying mega constellations to deliver broadband, IoT connectivity, enterprise networks, and mobility solutions. The revenue model is scalable, subscription-driven, and global. Meanwhile, government and military demand remains strategic-focused on secure communications, surveillance, and resilient infrastructure, but the momentum and deployment volume is clearly commercial. By satellite type, the rise of smaller platforms. By satellite type, the market includes small satellites under 500 kilograms, medium satellites 500 to 1,000 kilograms, large satellites above 1,000 kilograms. The clear trend? Smaller and medium satellites are gaining traction. Lower manufacturing costs, faster deployment, and constellation scalability are redefining economics in space. Regional dynamics regionally. North America, led by the US, dominates due to strong private sector leadership and defense investments. Europe is focusing on sovereign capabilities and space autonomy. Asia-Pacific, including China, India, Japan, and South Korea, is rapidly expanding both government-backed and commercial initiatives. And the rest of the world, including South America and the Middle East and Africa, is increasingly adopting low Earth orbit services for connectivity and national development, the strategic angle. LEO as critical infrastructure. But here's the bigger strategic angle. LEO satellites are evolving into critical digital infrastructure. They're not just connecting remote villages, they're enabling autonomous systems, strengthening national security, enhancing climate intelligence, and creating redundancy in global communication networks. In a world of geopolitical uncertainty and digital dependency, LEO is becoming a resilient strategy. The low Earth orbit satellite market isn't just expanding, it's redefining global infrastructure. If you want deeper insights into emerging space technologies and high-growth deep tech markets, follow us for more research-backed analysis. Stay ahead, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next deep dive.